I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Figma Jam. Figma is primarily a robust design tool for crafting user interfaces and prototypes, while Fig Jam serves as an online whiteboard for dynamic brainstorming and collaborative ideation. Both are integral parts of the Figma ecosystem, but they cater to distinct phases of the product development lifecycle, offering specialized functionalities for different team needs. Understanding their core differences is key. Figma stands out for its powerful vector editing capabilities, extensive component libraries, and high-fidelity prototyping features. Designers leverage it to construct intricate user interfaces, establish comprehensive design systems, and create interactive mock-ups. It supports advanced functionalities like auto layout, variants, and seamless developer handoff, making it an indispensable tool for professional design workflows and ensuring precision in every pixel. Conversely, Fig Jam provides an intuitive space for collaborative thinking, offering tools such as sticky notes, freehand drawing, and a variety of templates for workshops. It is perfectly suited for team brainstorming sessions, agile ceremonies, and engaging whiteboarding activities. Features like stamps, reactions, and a voting system foster lively group participation, making it an excellent platform for early-stage ideation and problem-solving with your team. To choose the right tool, use Figma for creating polished designs, detailed prototypes, and robust design systems that require precision. Opt for Fig Jam during early-stage ideation, team meetings, and collaborative problem-solving, where flexibility and quick input are paramount. The good news is they integrate seamlessly, allowing for a smooth and efficient transition from initial brainstorming concepts in Fig Jam to refined designs in Figma, enhancing your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.